So, what is it that makes nature such a healing, restorative place, such a soothing environment? A part of it is the silence. How often do you get huge open spaces, huge spaces with no noise, right? Unless you make that noise. And it's a small noise in that space. And if you don't make a noise, there's no noise. And so that gives you a sense of proportion. And that sense of proportion is what's healing, because you realize your huge problems can't be very big if you're not very big. And so, the landscape, some of it stays the same, the structure of it stays the same, the surface of it changes. And so that's the other thing. You can get really upset about something, but the seasons are going to change anyway, so why bother?